Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules and this is DIY with Jules. And this is a reminder of what my backyard looks like. Now that the fire pit area is done, the next step is to redecorate the back patio. We cleared out all of the furniture. We decided to give the concrete a good cleaning. I did some spot cleaning and also cleaned the wicker furniture and removed all of the cases off of the pillows and put them in the washer. And while they are drying, I will be doing my first of my DIYs. DIY number one is a wall decoration that I came up with using these cream color plastic plates purchased at Walmart for 50 cents and this Dollar Tree placemat that I thought the writing on it was really great. So I cut them out and glued them onto the plates. I also used jute rope to give it a pretty trim. Once my project was dry, I decided to glue the plate to a paint mixing stick. I glued it all together just so that I can put it on the wall in one piece. Now on to DIY number two. In these trying times, we have to find ingenious ways to occupy our time. So I used this TV tray that I found at a thrift store for $5. It was already painted in a cream chalk color and I was going to keep it like that, but thinking about it being outdoors, we needed to give it a color that was going to sustain the weather. So I painted the legs, half of the legs and the top in a bold color. Then I used a template that I made to create a checkerboard and I used tape, taped it off and painted the squares. And even though I used Rust-Oleum paint, I still gave it an extra clear coat just to make sure that it will sustain weather outside. Now, as far as the game pieces are concerned, I found this package of 25 threading spools and I decided to use them as the game pieces. I painted them in a yellow and blue to match my backyard. I used a small basket to keep them in. And now we have a complete checkerboard set. Now DIY number three is one of my favorites. I decided to do a tabletop fire pit. I used this terracotta pot and I painted the bottom half with this paint resistant paint and then I covered it with a yellow just to match my color scheme. Now I lost some footage of me putting the fire pit together, but basically I picked up a Dollar Tree bowl. I put it in the center because it fits the Bunsen burner perfectly. I put the glass beads around it and lit the Bunsen and it was absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with it. Now for my finishing touches, I went to Joann's and instead of buying a rug, I picked up this outdoor material so that I can create a rug and I can take it out and wash it anytime I need to. I picked up from Walmart these pretty sheer curtains in the blue and in the yellow, and I also picked up these awesome pillows. Now I'm going to put my back patio together and I hope you enjoy. Now thanks again for stopping by to DIY with Jules. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day. Bye!